Are you ready to unlock the true potential of Power BI? Today, we're cracking the code on DAX, the secret weapon that transforms raw data into insights that jump off the screen. Whether you're a DAX newbie or a seasoned pro, this video is your ultimate guide to mastering this powerful language. We'll be packing it with practical examples and tips to supercharge your DAX skills. Imagine this. You've got a treasure chest of data, but it's locked tight. DAX is the key that unlocks it, revealing hidden trends and patterns that take your Power BI reports to the next level. We're dropping important links such as DAX functions reference, PL, 300 reading chapter, and the school inventory, Dataset in the description. This will be your practice ground as we explore the magic of DAX together. Don't forget to subscribe for a complete DAX masterclass. There will be more awesome videos coming your way. Some of the data transformations in this video were performed in the previous videos related to data transformation. If you are new to Power BI, you might want to review them before proceeding. Let's be honest, writing DAX formulas can feel a bit intimidating at first. We'll be breaking it down step by step so you can understand it like the back of your hand. Think of a DAX formula like a secret recipe. It has a clear and descriptive name like total sales with discount, followed by the equal sign. Then comes the magic ingredient, the DAX formula itself. Remember, clear and descriptive names are key for making your reports user-friendly. Calculated table formulas must return a table object. If the table name Whereas calculated columns and measure formulas must return a scalar or single value. When you reference a column in a formula, the column name must be enclosed within square brackets. Preceding table name is optional if the column name is unique in the model. The sum of symbols indicate that the column is numerical and can be used for an arithmetic calculation. After the column calculation, sum of the January 2024, you will notice that a single value of 5,059 is displayed. To create a Q1 measure in Power BI, you'll need to calculate the total value for each column for the first quarter 2024, January, February, March. Using each column with the simple addition of each column will not work. For that, you will have SUMX iterates over each row in the table named Sheet 1. For each row, it evaluates the expression Sheet 1, January plus Sheet 1, February plus Sheet 1, March. This expression sums the values of the columns for that particular row. Finally, SUMX sums these individual results to give the total Q1 sales. Similarly, you could use average, averagex, and other functions. Use the ampersand character to concatenate two text values to produce one single value. Because we are creating a new column, we have in each row the results of the department-location ID. We will continue covering DAX in the next video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Power BI tutorials. Comment below with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover.